That's why the birds are freaking out. You should see it. Beautiful. I've never seen an eagle so stunned. And I don't want to get hurt, and I don't want to hurt it. Okay, there we go. Come on, there we go. There you go. Okay. Away you go. Oh my gosh. Too bad the U.S. treats us like this. I think I should send this to the U.S. and let them know how much we care. Still stunned. Oh. Come on, baby. Yeah, that's it. Go. Go. Oh. See, the crows want to attack it, eh?
You're going to be all wet, you doof. Yeah. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Let go of the net, bud. There we go. There we go. No, don't bite me. Don't bite the net either.
Do you want the towel?
No, I'm good. I just need to get his wing out.
Cover his face, then he might get less
No,
stressed.
no.
Here, I can hold the net.
Yeah. Hold on to that for a second. I'm gonna lift him up. And I'm thinking it is a boy
Hi, buddy.
because he's small.
Yeah.
Let go.
Oh, he's like.
Yeah, I got him. Oh, and then again, it could be a girl.
Hi.
Hey.
Gorgeous.
No, it's a boy.
Okay.
Doesn't weigh very much.
Yeah, I think he's got a hurt wing, eh?
It would have.
Yeah, I saw
in
him
the
hit the power line.
Okay, I'll get that info from you in a second.
Okay.
He has a video of him laying on the ground too.
Yeah.